How to create a parent and child element and use it. First of all, create a symbol according to our standards. The reference name, the text container, and the pins. For the parent and also for the child element, it is very important to choose the right symbol type. So for the parent element, choose here parent element. Now you are ready and you can save it as in a library. It's according to our technology, best with a parent add-on on a name. Especially the same do with a child element. Also here, be sure that you choose the symbol type of the child element. And also save this one in the right technology library with the add-on child. So now you are ready to use your parent and your child element. First of all, choose the parent element and place it. The parent and child manager will open automatically. Here you have to click on the plus button to create a new parent element. Control your reference name and you're also able to change it. In the second step, you can place your child element. The parent and child manager will automatically open again. And now you have to choose your parent element. The selection is shown by the hook. And select OK. Now if the parent and the child element is placed on your sheets, you see that the cross references according to each other. And also if you open the manager again, you will see that the parent element has a plus, and under this there is a child element. That's it.